Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change profile picture on Candy Crush Saga. To change your profile picture in Candy Crush Saga, launch open the Candy Crush Saga application and then from the home page, look for the gear button at the bottom left corner. Once you open up the gear button, click on My Account. You will then come across this page where you will be able to see your profile avatar. If you have logged into Candy Crush Saga with King, then you can simply tap on the camera icon and then click on Change Image. You can then tap on either one of these options from the pop-up. To choose a file from where you want to change your avatar, tap on Choose File option and then select a picture. To take a photo from your device's camera, tap on Take Photo and take your picture right away you would like to upload. If you want to choose the existing picture from your device's camera roll, tap on Photo Library. Select any one picture you'd like to use as your profile avatar and click on Done at the top right. Adjust your image by dragging it along the profile image section and finally click Save Image. Soon after you do that, you will be able to upload or change your profile picture if you are logged into Candy Crush Saga with King. If you are logged into Candy Crush Saga with Facebook, all you need to do is to go ahead and change your profile picture on your Facebook account, and your profile picture will also be changed on Candy Crush Saga if you are connected via Facebook. So that's how you can easily change profile picture in Candy Crush Saga whether you are using the King account or Facebook account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Basics for more tutorials from Candy Crush Saga. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.